Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a good one. Hope you're spending time with family, friends, whatever it may be. Maybe you just like to go sit at the bar and get drunk. Whatever your favorite thing to do on a Sunday is. Hope you're enjoying it. Today I had to go do something that I haven't done in, oh shoot, it's probably been at least 15 years, if not longer. I had to get rid of a customer in a certain way. I've gotten rid of customers in other ways, but this is the first time I've had to do this in at least a decade and a half. So I just got back from tearing a heat pump system out of a house and giving the customer a check. I had to fire him. And I don't like conducting business that way, but I had to. They were never going to be happy with anything, so I basically just told them, you know, you're just going to have to find somebody else. I'm not going to be able to make you happy. You know, you can antagonize another contractor, but you're not going to do it to me. They wanted me to come back out this week and keep doing more work, basically on my time and my pocketbook, which I'm not going to do. They're expecting all this stuff for free. Not going to happen. So I decided, I actually decided that about the middle of this past week to cut them off, and I just needed to find the right way to go about it. So I shot her an email the other day. And I said, hey, I don't want your business anymore. I'm going to come retrieve my equipment out of your house, and I will give you a check back for the money that you paid me. And we'll just go our separate ways. Good luck to you. You can find another contractor, and that's the way it'll be. So, you know, it's nothing personal. You know, there's no animosity when you're doing something like that. You know, they want to be adversarial towards me and act like we're supposed to hate each other for doing this. It's all business, guys. It really is. It's all completely business. Nothing personal at all. So I always make sure that people understand that. I don't have anything against them personally. Now, I will say this. They do lean to a certain side of the aisle that I don't agree with politically, and they do act like most of those people act. That's all I'm gonna say. You can determine from what I'm telling you what side that is. I'm not gonna say it here. I think you guys have a pretty good idea. So I'm gonna, like I said in the past on some of my other videos, I'm going to start vetting my potential customers better, and make sure that this does not happen again. Make sure I get all my customers are people that are grateful for the work that I do and aren't just looking to get something for nothing or to antagonize and make a contractor's life a living hell, because that's what they were trying to do, and I'm not going to allow that to happen to me. I've been doing this too long. So they can pick on the next guy. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you real quick today. I'll keep this brief, but that's what I had to go do today, and I'll say it again. I do not like doing that. You know, it's been a long time since I've had to do that, and it kind of leaves a little pit in your stomach, because you know, I hate to lose customers, and I hate for any of my customers to say anything bad about me, because you know, negativity gets around a lot faster than positivity. It's just the nature of the human race. So I'm going to stay positive. I got lots of good stuff coming up, lots of good content for you. I'll try to get footage of all my work that I'm doing. I got a couple of service things I'm going to be doing Monday and Tuesday. I got some more installs coming up. I just got to get them scheduled, get them on the books, and you know, get my equipment in. I don't have a lot of space to stock equipment, so I usually order it a day or two in advance, not weeks in advance like some of the larger guys do. So I'm gonna get on that. I look forward to many more videos with you, and continuing to have the channel grow. along with you. I appreciate all the subscribers, all of the likes, all of the comments. I'd love to have more comments. I love to hear feedback, because I think that's really what this is about, is interacting with each other in the HVAC trades, and enjoying the trade, because it's the greatest trade on the planet as far as I'm concerned. So enjoying the trade that we're blessed to do, enjoying life. I'll leave it at that. See you on the next one. Alright guys, just so you don't think I was full of crap, here's the equipment I pulled out today. There's my 3-ton M20 Bosch heat pump, and back here is the air handler M20. Went ahead and made sure I taped all my ends when I cut them. Crimped and taped those ends. If it sits here for too long and I don't sell it, I'll brace those shut. But I'm pretty sure I can get this thing resold very quickly. There's my little pads that go underneath the. So I've already pulled this out. Pulled my pad out. Got my pads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all 8 pads. That's how many go under there. Just some other crap I had in the truck, but I wanted to show you this so you knew I wasn't full of crap. I really did pull this stuff out this morning, and yeah, they can deal with somebody else, because I'm not dealing with their crap, that's for sure. So there she is. I'll be able to resell that thing real quick, guarantee it.